Hi, my name is Emiliano and I teach piano. If you're here today watching this, it means that you have a desire to be able to play piano. Or maybe it's someone you care about, your child, a relative who wishes to learn. Are you looking for the right kind of piano tuition to transform that wish into reality? For almost 2 decades, I have been helping people from all walks of life achieve their musical aspirations. Today, I'm glad you found me, and I hope I can help you too. In this video, I'd like to offer a brief overview of my services as a piano teacher, which are one-to-one in-person classes here in my studio, one-to-one live online classes streamed from my studio to your home, video exchange personalized video tutorials, and recorded self-paced courses. One-to-one in-person classes are the traditional, time-tested way of learning piano, where students get immediate and personalized feedback on their performance. In an ideal scenario of in-person piano classes, the student comes to the studio, shows me the work done, receives feedback for improvement, gets homework assigned based on such improvement, goes home, practices every day as prescribed, comes back after a week, and the cycle repeats. After a period of time, the student will have achieved the musical objectives which were decided at the beginning, and will be ready and fully equipped to progress independently. One-to-one live online classes are a more recent introduction. However, the methodology and subjects remain the same, only the medium changes. The same attention, thoroughness and dedication are devoted to each student in an online class, allowing you to enjoy the same high level of instruction from the comfort of your own home. I have invested in a professional setup, right here behind me, to create an optimal online learning environment. And I discussed this in more detail in a separate video for those who are interested. For the purpose of this brief overview, it's important to understand that online learning does not mean a drop in quality. Instead, it offers you the same uncompromising piano tuition without the inconvenience of travel. I also offer piano tuition through video exchange or personalized video tutorials. However, this system best suits intermediate to advanced students and focuses on one or two specific objectives at a time. Students send me a video of themselves performing a piece or a section that needs improvement. I then review the video and send back a personalized video response with detailed feedback. For those seeking maximum flexibility, there is also the option to learn piano through my recorded self-paced courses, which allow students to have complete control over their learning pace, as they decide the frequency and duration of the lessons. This system is ideal for busy individuals who can only practice on an occasional basis. So, are you ready to start your musical journey? If you are, get in touch.